Gas2. Amazon. Go. Let's go. Go quick. The cheapest LP gas in Zimbabwe. Runs for longer, saves you more. Gas to you, we're the one to trust.
Gas to you, the cheapest LP gas in Zimbabwe. Runs for longer, saves you more. Gas to you is the one to trust. Gas to you, fast and labor right to your door. Quality you, safe and clean. Gas to you is number one.
Cooking every day, don't you worry. Gas to you comes in a hurry. Affordable price, quality guaranteed. See for a lease all you need. No stress, no delays. We deliver every day. From Gokwe to your location, Gas to you is your solution.
Call us now, we'll be there. Reliable service everywhere. Fill your cylinder, save today. Gas to you, leads the way.
Gas to you, the cheapest LP gas in Zimbabwe. Runs for longer, saves you more. Gas to you is the one to trust.
Safe to you,
Make for you, every home. Gas to you,
long-lasting flame.
trusted name. Gas to you, win the game.
Long-lasting flame.
Trusted name.
Gas to you.
Win the game.
Hey, hey.
Gas to you. The cheapest LP gas to you. Gas to you is the one to trust. Gas to you. The cheapest LP gas in Zimbabwe. Burns for longer, saves you more.